TCS, Infosys, Wipro, Tech Mahindra. These are the top IT service based companies in India, which is having a lot of employees in lakhs. And we are going to discuss something interesting that is happening recently with all these IT companies. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our YouTube channel that is EdTech. Hope you all are having a fantastic day. Let us begin with our today's video. So our today's video is going to be very important because we are going to discuss about the AI agent that is CoWork that was introduced by Anthropic AI and why these agents that were introduced they are eroding the IT stocks globally. We will discuss about TCS, Infosys, Wipro, Tech Mahindra. So if you are someone who is working in the IT industry, then this is going to be a very important video because we are going to share a lot of details about Anthropic AI and the future of Indian IT industry. So without wasting any more time, let us move forward. The number one thing is that, guys, you might have seen a lot of news articles about companies like TCS, Infosys, Wipro, and Capgemini, and even Tech Mahindra. You will find that these are companies which are listed in the stock market, and you will see that in the past 1 month, TCS has lost 17% of its market capitalization. Same thing with Infosys, around 15% of loss. Tech Mahindra around 5%. Okay, and from the peak high, it is again very high. And here you can see for Wipro, then it is again 18 to 19%. So why are these companies shedding? Okay, why are they bearing a lot of losses? So we are going to discuss that. Okay, now before moving forward, I have a small request. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you've already not done that, and share this video with all of your friends so they are also educated about the IT industry updates. So let us move forward. The number one thing that I want to discuss is that TCS, okay, Infosys, Cognizant, Wipro, HCL Tech, and Accenture. You might recognize these companies as service-based IT companies who are providing services to big banks, big MNCs, big like retail chains, and a lot of other companies. Okay, it can be like media companies, it can be media houses, it can be legal companies also. They are having a lot of different clients, right? Now, if you look at companies like Gartner, Amazon, Salesforce, Adobe, Fujitsu from Japan, and again NRI, that is Nomura Research Institute based from USA, but it is actually from Japan. So all these companies they were under a bloodbath, okay, in the US and the Indian IT market since the last 1 week, since Anthropic AI released the CoWork, that is the AI agents, around 11 AI agents, and that is the reason why everyone feels that this is a time where there will be a similar situation which happened back when it was cloud was introduced. Okay, when like there were some software, some .com that was started. Okay, so all these things happened. Okay, now what interesting and what exactly is Anthropic AI cloud work? Okay, cloud work, so co-work, sorry, basically. So what happens is that why exactly it is disrupting, okay, the enterprise work. So we will discuss that. The first thing is that like I want you all to please understand what I am sharing with you, so that it will be important for you to understand the next video that we'll be creating about the AI future and how developers, testers, and a lot of other people like data engineers, data modelers, okay, people who are working in support, people who are working in SAP, people who are working with like Salesforce and other technologies. Okay, so how you can be aware, how you can stay ahead of your peers. Okay, so basically what happened is that the upgraded system introduces multiple automation plugins. Okay, so this Anthropic AI cowork, they are providing multiple automation plugins that can go beyond simple AI assistance. Okay, so like Copilot is doing, right? Simple AI assistance that is doing, right? It is just fetching the data, scanning the code base, and doing some like solutions for you, right? So instead of supporting employees into existing software tools, the AI can now perform full operational processes. Okay, if you, for example, if you take Adobe, okay, you have to go and write some prompts, you have to generate some images and something like that. You will be happening, right? So there will be some to and fro mechanism. Okay, you'll be providing some prompts, then the AI will be asking you questions, that you will be providing answers, and then this thing will go on and on and on, right? So there will be an intermediate person that will be required, but using Anthropic's new models, new agents, okay, that will no longer be required. Okay, what they are saying is that the key areas which are being automated, including legal document reviews, compliance checks, sales planning, marketing campaign analysis, financial reconciliation, data visualization, and SQL based reporting and enterprise wide document search. So these are the areas which are directly getting impacted as of now, and that is the reason the stocks that we saw in the previous, okay, in the previous slide, those are getting impacted a lot. And since TCS, Infosys, Wipro, Capgemini, Cognizant, they are having the clients, okay, as these big companies like legal documentation, like data visualization, financial reconciliation, marketing campaigns, creating softwares for all these companies. they are under a bloodbath. Okay, so for years markets believe that AI would boost software companies, which is basically like banks or even Walmart or your Microsoft or your Google. Okay, all these companies, by providing and improving productivity. Okay, but now Anthropic's automation leap has flipped that narrative, and it is raising the possibility that AI systems might replace entire category of enterprise software. Guys, you can understand from this, enterprise softwares which are provided by SAP, by provided by Adobe, provided by a lot of other companies, even Zoho, and a lot of other companies are providing enterprise softwares. So that might get replaced. Okay, analysts now see that 2026 will be a pivotal year when companies will have to adapt with AI first workflows, or they will be having a risk of losing the relevance. Okay, so that is the reason Jeffries called this emerging trend as SaaS apocalypse, which is marking the shift going down from AI helps these companies to AI replaces these companies. So this is something which is very interesting, and this is something which might also cause a lot of layoffs, because if these enterprise companies will not have, okay, they are providing some solutions, some subscription based modeling or some purchase directly license based softwares, and if Anthropic's new agents are able to replace that, then these companies will no longer have some new developments, new enhancements, or new projects, new development. Okay, and that is the reason that might also trigger, that might also increase or create a dominoes effect where all the companies will be laying off the employees, and they no longer will be requiring new developers or new architects or even new testers. So that is the reason why a lot of people are on their toes right now in the IT industry, and this is something that you should be looking forward to. Okay, I will be creating another video about all these things, how companies, how the dot-com bubble started, and after that how did the companies in India grow with the offshore onshore model. TCS, Infosys, they are following this model. They are having on-site employees, they're having the offshore teams, and how they're working in collaboration. And then how did cloud started to disrupt everything, and now how AI is going to disrupt all these things. Okay, so for that you will have to stay tuned, you'll have to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you've already not done that. This is going to be very important for you guys, so please consider subscribing and share this video with all of your friends who are working in the IT industry. With this, I would like to end up today's video. Let us meet in the next video on Anthropic AI. Thank you.